Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kdenlive for timeline and proxy workflow, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Kdenlive on your computer. Once Kdenlive is open, you will see the main interface. Locate the project bin on the upper left side of the screen. Right-click in the project bin area to create a new project folder. Name the folder based on your project to keep things organized. Next, click on the Settings menu at the top of the screen. Select Configure Kdenlive from the drop-down menu. In the configuration window, navigate to the Project tab. Here, you can set your default project settings. Select the frame rate that matches your footage. Choose the resolution that suits your project needs. After adjusting settings, click OK to save changes. Now, return to the project bin. Right-click again to import your media files. Select Add Clip or Folder to browse for your video files. Choose the clips you want to work with and click Open. Next, create a timeline for your project. Drag and drop your first video clip onto the timeline. Continue adding clips in the order you want them to appear. To enable Proxy workflow, go to the Project menu again. Select Proxy and then click on Generate Proxy Clips. Choose your desired proxy settings, which will usually be lower resolution. Click OK to start generating proxy files. Wait for the process to finish. This may take some time depending on your footage size. Once generated, Kdenlive will automatically use the proxies for editing. You can toggle between original and proxy clips as needed from the timeline. Now you are ready to edit your video using Kdenlive efficiently. Make sure to save your project frequently to avoid losing any work. Once you've finished editing, you can render your final video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.